We made it to the finally in Cape Town, South Africa. What is this? Our people are looking.
How
at
many
us
countries have we been to?
This year we've been to 9. Wow, it's like white sand too. What the heck? How amazing is this? So beautiful. Wow.
We're obsessed. Probably what, like one of our top favorite countries so
Yes,
far?
I've never seen anything like this.
It's beautiful here.
The water's freezing, but the rocks are
so
boiling.
cold. It's literally ice. Just melted ice. Guys, Carrie goes, is that a real person?
And then he moved.
He's so real.
Killing the statue look though.
You guys are so cute. You're so cute.
What are your names?
Evelita. Ah, my name's Emily. This is Carrie.
Hi.
So we're walking through town, right? And we like don't know who to ask where to find this restaurant we're looking for. So we see a couple police officers. We're like, heck yeah. So we go up, we ask them, they tell us which way, and then they're like, can we get your number, please?
And
we're like,
we just
bye.
laughed. Okay, bye. We just laughed and walked away, but they were like dead serious.
So funny. Trying our first South African beer. What did you say this beer is called?
That would be a tiger's milk, sweetheart. Tiger's milk.
Tiger's Milk beer.
Tiger's Milk.
Cheers. Ooh, it's so good.
We're definitely ordering that.
Local beer. Somebody asked us if we're sisters. What do you guys think? Do we look like sisters? Someone also asked if we're from Sweden.
We're gonna go to safari tomorrow.